So let's move to our next topic, that is sexual reproduction, which is very important topic of this chapter. Now, as we have discussed earlier also, in this type of reproduction, two parents are involved. One is male, the other one is the female. Now for plants to do the sexual reproduction, what they do is they require reproductive part, which is flower. Now, flower becomes very important in this type of reproduction. Now, the main reproductive part in the flower also, like we know that flower also consists of various parts that we are going to discuss in our further slides. But here, the two main parts of the flower are stamen and pistil. Stamen is the male reproductive part and pistil is the female reproductive part, which is further divided into different types also that we are going to discuss in our later slides. Now, the male reproductive part produces a cell which is known as male cell. Now, this male cell also known as gamete, male gamete, and the female reproductive part produces a female cell which is a female gamete. When they fuses together during the fertilization process, they form zygote, and as a result, they converts into fruit, and the ovules which are present into the pistil, they converts into seed, and from seed, new plants can be reproduced by the plant. So that is how the sexual reproduction takes place in the plants. But the most important thing is, the most important advantage of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction is that in this case, a variety of plants can be seen. Variety is just because of this type of reproduction, not by asexual reproduction, because we have seen there, in that case, the parent and offspring are exact copies of each other. Now, because of that, what happens? There is no evolution or no variety is seen in that case. So, because of that, this becomes very much important. Now, here it is the image of stamen and pistil. First one is the stamen. Now, stamen consists of anther and a filament from which it is attached to the flower. Anther has some pollen grains which produces the male cell, and in the female part, which is the pistil, it has stigma, style, ovule and ovary. Now these ovules are further when the ovary converts into fruit after the reproduction process, or we can say that after the fertilization process, these ovules converts into seeds, and from these seeds the other plants are formed. So that is how the sexual reproduction takes place in plants.